Defamation lawyers versus reputation management consultants. Which one is better for online cases? Most people get this wrong by thinking that online reputation issues can be solved solely with public relations tactics, but the surprising truth is that defamation lawyers and reputation management consultants play very different roles, and knowing when to use each can make all the difference. Defamation lawyers specialize in legal action against false statements that harm your reputation. For instance, if a defamatory article or social media post spreads false information about you or your business, a defamation lawyer can assess whether it qualifies as libel or slander, send cease and desist letters, file claims, and represent you in court. They provide legal remedies, including retractions, apologies, or damages which cannot be achieved by pure efforts alone. Reputation management consultants, in contrast, focus on controlling and improving your online image. They can help suppress negative content through SEO strategies, publish positive content, manage social media presence, and monitor online reviews. While they don't have legal authority, they are essential for maintaining a positive digital footprint and preventing reputational damage from escalating. So, which is better? Defamation lawyers are crucial when false statements cross legal thresholds and need enforcement. Reputation management consultants are ideal for ongoing brand management, monitoring, and crisis mitigation. Many cases benefit from combining both. Consultants manage the online narrative while lawyers pursue legal remedies when necessary. The key takeaway is that protecting your reputation online isn't just about removing content, it's about strategy, legal action, and proactive management. The smartest approach balances immediate legal recourse with long-term reputation maintenance. For businesses and individuals alike, leveraging both ensures you are legally protected and maintain credibility in the public eye.